run for it. Maybe the rat is coming, but I don't care. Like, I don't care. It can kill me. Oh my god. Oh my god, help me, help, 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 help. Help, 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 help. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Help, help, help. Help! Help! Help me. Oh, please no. You should just hear my heart. It's beating so hard right now. Yeah, someone's opening the loop thing. Let's run again. I don't want to hear that ratty thing. Well, it's right here, so it's quite hard. Oh my god, help, 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 help. Take this little cheese. My first cheese. Let's take the green tea. Let's get up. But I can't get up! Oh my god. My heart is beating so hard right now. This is so hard. Have you guys ever tried Cheese Escape? It's called Cheese Escape. Sorry for that little thing in the corner. It's just I'm playing on my phone. Okay, I hit a rat. Let's go into the green door. I know the code is 2 for... No, it isn't. It's 3842. I forgot. It's 3842. 842. Okay, the lights are flickering. I just want to see that little music thing, or that little... It's gonna come. You're gonna see it. You may not understand, but you're gonna understand. There it is. Here, he spawned. The key. I'm gonna be taking the Bloxy Cola and the cheese. Let's see now. Hup. Oh my god, help. I want to get in that little door that was next to the green cheese. I know, like, the red door is on the way to the green key right here. Wait, I can't take the plank. No! The maximum of stuff you can have is 3, and I have that Bloxy Cola.